Hi, welcome back. Another important question of the day. So let's see this. Choose options. Where do you control open quotation messages in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? So if you would like to choose options, first you have to understand what is open quotation messages. Okay. Let's, I think I have already explained in my previous videos. So let's try to get into the options. A, item category. B, sales area. C, schedule and category. D, item category. E, billing type. F, sales document type. G, none of the above. So in this, either one or two answers might be correct, or else three answers might be correct, or all will be correct. You can choose multiple. You can choose your answer and write in the comment. And answer I am going to disclose after some hours. At least I'm just waiting. Someone is can give attempt actually. Whether it is right or wrong, that is a different story. Okay. So if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe to get more updates like this. And so currently I'm holding 5,500 students around. So this is my SD course, 107 hours. And like this, so many useful courses available at my end, around 20 plus courses available. If you really want it, you can give it a try. Thank you so much. I'm just waiting for your answers. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat.